FastCap is located in Bellingham, Washington, just about 2 hours north of Seattle, up in a little tiny town called Ferndale, right on I-5. It's a beautiful place. We have about a 50,000 square foot facility. It's just really, really cool place to work. About 110 windows, lots of natural light everywhere coming in. We're going to take you inside. Now remember, it's simple. It's not fancy. So when you get inside, just a big overview. We got 3 big ass fans keeping everything cool and lots of natural light everywhere. When you walk in the front door, it's all stand up. We made all the desks out of our fast pipe system. Everything's simple. Now people always say, well, do people like to stand up? We wouldn't have it any other way. Is it difficult to stand up? Sure, it takes a little time to get used to it, but we love it. Everything's on wheels. Everything's flexible, including the filing cabinets. Now this is looking from the office back into the shipping area, and from the shipping area back in towards the office. You notice there's no walls. This is our order desk, and it's all on wheels, and it's all color coded based on the day of the week. So whatever day of the week is, the invoices are that color, so we can quickly tell whether or not we're behind or ahead, whether or not we have flow. When you look up on the wall, all the boxes that we ship in are all color coded. So it's easy to identify what size box is the perfect size to ship in, and then when you need to find it, it's color coded down below as well. All LED lights, all radiant heat. It's just an incredible place to work. So this is our grocery aisle, and right here is our shipping terminal. So 90% of all of our finished products are right here. We build the Kanbans every day, and everything's clearly done through visual controls and the last 5 digits of the UPC code. So if you want to know what's there, there's a picture of it right here, and all these labels have been made by us, and it just allows us to manage our daily picking. As you can see, Thomas is down here picking an order right now on a cart that we made, and it's just very simple. This one main aisle all the way down to the shipping terminal, and it's out the door. Our showroom, our conference room, very simple, stand up, no chairs, the meetings don't last very long. Our graphic design area, again, everything's stand up, everything's on wheels, everything's flexible. We want to be flexible because our needs are always changing. All our tools are carefully shadowed. We never search for anything, we never struggle, because the minute you struggle, you have waste.
Hi, I'm Graham and welcome to Graphics. This is the most magical cell in the whole building. We produce all our labels and inserts for over 700 products right here in this tiny cell that's this big. Back here we've got all our paper racks of the different labels we use. Over here we've got our computer where we developed a 6-step process where anyone can come off the street, follow the very basic steps, and get the job done in 2 to 3 minutes. And then over here, if ever anybody runs out of paper, we've developed a very simple Kanban card system where anyone can understand exactly what they need to do for any the process. All right, so at the end of the day, we've got a great process that allows anyone to come in on their first day and run a $150,000 printer for a giant company producing all the labels and inserts just out of the first day.
Our bathrooms are beautiful, fresh flowers, granite countertops, polished concrete floors, bidet toilet seats. I mean, it's really a great place to work because we want work to be fun and enjoyable. We keep it sparkling clean every day. Callie cleans the floors with automatic floor cleaners. We have 2 of them, and everything just stays at a very high standard. This is our sandbox where we meet every morning for our morning meeting, and a new person leads it every day. Our kitchen open to the entire facility, no walls. We even have a lean dishwasher. It does a load in just 2 minutes, no batch work. Our main production line, everything flowing towards the shipping terminals. You'll see how that works here in just a minute. It's very cool. See, that's an aisle where the product is made, flows down to the area where we package it. People are in the cells, they pick, package, and ship. Everything 2 hours, fax to truck. It's pretty amazing. So this is another cell where we make the laser jam, and Austin is laying out a tape measure on an aluminum pole to make the laser leveling device. And this is a nice little cell that he works around and makes one product at a time. Again, all of his tools are carefully shadowed in Kaizen foam. No struggle, work should be easy. He goes from one cell to another cell. Notice where he grabbed his safety glasses directly above the saw, goes ahead, makes a cut. And now what's really cool about this, you're gonna see, is Austin's going to have to clean out the aluminum pipe. He goes, sticks in a vacuum, hits it with a foot pedal. It sucks the aluminum dust right out. It's so fast and so easy. This is an engineering cell and also where we make the best fence, and those are the engineers standing up in the production area. pretty awesome. This is our shadow board of all the products that we make. So we do lateral thinking. We walk up, we look at it and say, hey, we've made a part like that before. We've got scooters here that allow us to get around the entire facility. Again, this is the engineering cell right on the manufacturing floor where we make everything. Our wood shop is only missing one thing, sawdust. It's immaculate. All the tools are carefully laid out and organized so we can be highly productive. Again, we're not about struggling. We're about making work easy and fun. Everything's where it's supposed to be. Everybody enjoys work because work doesn't have to be a struggle. This is our CNC area where we make all of our molds. All of our toolboxes are carefully shadowed out with our Kaizen foam system. So when we go to get a tool, it's right where we want it. There's no surprises like, oh, what happened to that tool? I know that's somewhere. We're not spending hours a day looking for things. We know exactly where everything is. So again, work is enjoyable. It makes all the difference in the world when you take the time to make this happen. Now, the way this looks like this is every day we make an improvement. These are our injection molding machines. They're Sumitomos. They're really high tech. They're very cool. They have robots on them to remove the parts. All the tools, again, are shadowed out for the Sumitomos. These are all of our injection molds down below with the parts actually magnetically attached to them. These are all the colorants and materials that we use with Kanban cards, carefully inserted in. All the parts are glued on the front. And then this is our narrow aisle system for retrieving inventory, which is waste, which we're embarrassed to say, but we have some of it and we're getting rid of more and more of it every day as we bring on more and more manufacturing. But this is a very cool system that allows us to work in a very tight, constrained area. Now the operator's actually not having to steer it because it's wire guided. And notice how it's man up. So he's up with the product so he can see exactly where he is so there's no damage to anything. Now in the front of all of our inventory racks are build cells. We have about 700 products and there's about 50 build cells where we actually build the products. And we've done it really in just a 4x8 section that's very flexible. We can change it for whatever product we need to build. We have little stations set up with jigs and it just really works well. We have the inventory down below. We build the product up above. Just a great system, allows for a lot of flexibility. And again, it's very simple. We don't have all these fancy workbenches. We just use the racking system to do that. But we don't want our people to work hard, we want them to work smart. The facility, again, is just magical to work in.
What are you doing?
Cleaning.
Wow, why do we keep the forklift so clean? Why do we do all this?
This is the worst it'll ever be.
Wow, and you polish this like pretty regularly, or what's the deal?
Once a month, everything gets maintained, battery gets checked, water levels.
So we keep everything in our facility almost perfect.